Imagine a world where your smartphone doesn't just respond to your commands. It anticipates your needs, personalizes every interaction, and even enhances reality around you. That's the thrilling frontier of artificial intelligence in mobile apps, set to revolutionize how we live, work, and play. But here's where it gets controversial. As AI becomes deeply embedded in our daily devices, are we trading convenience for privacy? Stick around to explore this booming market and the debates it sparks. This comprehensive global report delves into the artificial intelligence AI in mobile apps market, examining trends across regions, product types, deployment methods, company categories, and industry sectors from 2022 to 2032. It includes projections from 2025 to 2034. All measured in US dollars. Beyond crunching numbers, it profiles leading companies and highlights recent corporate and industrial advancements, painting a vivid picture of the market's evolution and future directions. We're witnessing a pivotal era of expansion in the AI for mobile apps sector, propelled by breakthroughs in processing AI directly on devices, instant decision-making capabilities, and more advanced AI toolkits. Major drivers include the integration of specialized chips like Qualcomm's Snapdragon lineup and Apple's Neural Engine, the rise of transformer-based natural language processing, which helps apps understand and generate human-like text, and multimodal AI that combines text, images, and more. Plus, AI is merging seamlessly with augmented reality, AR, where virtual elements overlay the real world, and the Internet of Things, IoT, connecting everyday gadgets for smarter homes and cities. The market is booming, thanks to growing desires from businesses and consumers for ultra-tailored experiences that adapt to context. Think entertainment apps that suggest shows based on your mood, e-commerce platforms that recommend products before you search, healthcare tools that monitor your vitals in real time, and productivity apps that streamline your workflow. Yet this growth isn't without hurdles. Navigating regulations, safeguarding user data, and addressing a global talent gap in AI expertise will demand clever strategies from companies. Those who prioritize privacy-focused AI and stay compliant stand to dominate the market in the coming years. And this is the part most people miss. The competitive arena is fierce, with giants like Google, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon Web Services, AWS, Qualcomm, NVIDIA, Meta, MediaTek, IBM, Samsung Electronics, ByteDance, and Adobe leading the charge, alongside niche innovators such as Clarify and SoundHound. They're pushing boundaries through faster hardware, ready-to-use AI models, and vibrant developer communities that foster endless possibilities. Diving into regional insights. Asia-Pacific takes the crown in 2025, capturing 50.1% of the market share. This dominance comes from high smartphone ownership, swift 5G network rollouts, and enthusiastic adoption of AI-enabled gadgets in powerhouse economies like China and India. North America secures the runner-up spot, buoyed by a seasoned pool of app creators, lucrative premium AI features, and hefty investments in research and development. Looking ahead, Asia-Pacific is poised for explosive growth from 2025 to 2034, with a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 34.8%, driven by pioneering work in AI combined with IoT, like smart home devices and AR, such as virtual shopping assistants. South America isn't far behind, accelerating thanks to better internet access, budget-friendly phones, and AI innovations in financial services, retail, and health apps. When breaking down the market by components, hardware leads the pack in 2025, fueled by the need for AI-specific processors and neural units that handle complex tasks efficiently right on your device. Imagine a phone that recognizes faces or translates languages without needing the cloud. Software comes in second, boosted by tools for NLP, which powers chatbots that converse naturally, computer vision, enabling apps to see and interpret images, and predictive analytics, forecasting trends for smarter decisions. Over the forecast period, software is set to surge fastest, hitting $125 billion by 2034, as more developers embrace versatile AI software development kits, SDKs, user-friendly low-code options, and built-in generative AI features that create content like images or text on the fly. Shifting to technology nodes, think of these as the microscopic blueprints for chips. 10-nanometer nodes dominate in 2025, thanks to their balance of speed and battery life in mobile processors for on-device AI tasks. The 20 to 28-nanometer range follows, serving affordable mid-tier devices popular in developing markets. By 2034, 10 nanometers will still be the top grower, with a 34.3% CAGR, reaching nearly $170 billion, supported by leaps in AI for language understanding, image recognition, and blended media apps. Meanwhile, 7-nanometer nodes will expand robustly, catering to high-end devices handling demanding AI like real-time video analysis. In terms of technology types, natural language processing, NLP, claims the biggest slice in 2025 at $11.4 billion, or 41.3% of the market, powering everything from virtual assistants that answer questions to real-time translators in travel apps. Machine learning, ML, which lets apps learn from data to make predictions, like recommending movies based on your viewing history, holds 32.5% with $9 billion. But here's where it gets controversial. As AI grows, some argue it's eroding human creativity, while others see it as a tool for empowerment. What do you think? Does AI enhance or replace human ingenuity? Looking forward, computer vision, CV, the tech behind apps that scan barcodes, detect emotions in photos, or enable facial recognition, will be the fastest riser, with a 36.1% CAGR to surpass $48.8 billion by 2034. It's transforming retail with AR try-ons, security with biometrics, and healthcare with diagnostic imaging. NLP will keep up strong growth at 32.8%, thanks to smarter models that process language locally on devices, and ML will climb at 29.8%, versatile across fields and key to multimodal AI that integrates senses like sight and sound. By application, smartphones reign supreme in 2025 as the go-to hub for personalized AI features like voice commands and enhanced photos. Automotive apps follow, with AI assisting drivers through navigation and safety alerts. Over time, AR/VR, augmented and virtual reality, will explode at 38.1% CAGR, creating immersive worlds for gaming, virtual shopping, and training simulations. Automotive will trail closely, reaching $58.7 billion by 2034, fueled by self-driving tech, maintenance predictions, and customized in-car entertainment. Finally, in end-use sectors, entertainment leads in 2025, with AI curating playlists, suggesting content, and adding flair to games and social media. Productivity apps are next, automating tasks and boosting collaboration on mobile devices. Health and wellness will be the standout grower, with a 36% CAGR to $4.4 billion, driven by apps for fitness tracking, mental health coaching, and predictive health insights. Key report details include 568 pages, a forecast from 2025 to 2034, a 2025 market value of $27.7 billion, growing to $322 billion by 2034 at a 31.4% CAGR, covering global regions. The report's scope encompasses the industry landscape, including market outlook, growth drivers and barriers, entry strategies, startup tips, SWOT and Porter's 5 forces analyses, and PESTLE, political, economic, social, technological, environmental, legal evaluations. It features key metrics with 2025 as the base year, values in US dollars, and profiles of over 15 companies. The competitive landscape covers positioning, market shares, and SWOTs for key players. Major companies listed are Adobe, Amazon Web Services, AWS, Apple, ByteDance, Cerebras Systems, Clarify, Google, H2O.ai, IBM, MediaTek, Meta, Facebook, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Qualcomm, Samsung Electronics, Snap Inc., SoundHound, Spotify, and Zoom. Geographically, it breaks down North America, US, Canada, Mexico, Europe, Germany, UK, France, Italy, Netherlands, Spain, Russia, Switzerland, and rest. Asia Pacific, China, Japan, India, Australia, Singapore, South Korea, and rest. South America, Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Chile, Peru, and rest. And Middle East Africa, UAE, South Africa, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Morocco, Kuwait, Qatar, and rest. By component, hardware, software, services. By technology node, 10 nm, 20 to 28 nm, 7 nm. Other. By technology type, natural language processing, NLP, machine learning, ML, computer vision, CV. Other. By application, smartphones, automotive, cameras, AR/VR, drones, robotics. Other. By end use, entertainment, productivity, photo-video apps, social media, communication connectivity, e-commerce shopping apps, information utility, health wellness apps, mobile wallets, travel tourism apps. Other. For deeper insights, visit https://r/YL3FC4. About researchandmarkets.com. As the premier global hub for market research and data, researchandmarkets.com delivers up-to-the-minute info on worldwide and local markets, top industries, leading firms, fresh products, and emerging trends. Artificial intelligence, AI in mobile apps market, https://globalnewswire.com/resource/download 9886 AFA1684 B22 BS8 F34 DEBF. Artificial intelligence in mobile apps market. Artificial intelligence in mobile apps market. What are your thoughts on AI's role in mobile apps? Do you believe the benefits outweigh the privacy risks? Or is there a counterpoint I'm missing? Share your opinions in the comments. Let's debate.